Hey everybody, it's Mike with the 1974 GMC Motorhome, and maybe I should stop starting these videos that way, but I guess that's kind of my thing. So here you have a picture of the door. If you'll remember, when I took the side molding off, the upper part of the door, the aluminum, was broken free from the structure behind it, and so I was doing a bunch of work, which I'll show you later, with fiberglass, or with epoxy resin actually. And so I figured while I had some left, I'd give a shot at gluing that back down. If not, it's probably just going to get riveted. Put a little caulk in there and rivet it. But I don't know why it wasn't riveted to begin with, but let's take a look and see what happened. So this piece of plywood was left over, was flexible enough to kind of hold pressure where it was bowed and loose. And like I said, maybe this worked, maybe it didn't. We'll find out in just a second. Set these clamps down somewhere. So let's see if that epoxy seemed to stick it in place. It sure did. So I may put a rivet in it yet, but all right, I'm going to take us mobile now here. 1 second. Put the tripod aside. And so you'll see that I've kind of cleaned all of the stuff out of there, and I sanded, where there was bubbles and things like that. And I'm sure it will need more, but I just kind of, I'll try not to move so fast, make you dizzy. But I just tried to clean everything up. Interestingly enough, and you can kind of see it's behind the awning, but there's some pretty big holes that were just full of pucky, goop and pucky. So you can hear the ball dropping. Iris is wanting to play ball. There she is. She's a good girl. So at any rate, some of these holes I was able to get the insert out cleanly without screwing the hole up too much. A couple others were kind of busted up. So you can see that I've kind of hit all of those ones that were kind of large. I put basically glass mat in the hole, and then a piece on the inside and the outside. So just walk around a little bit. And hopefully the mic's working good, because mic is mic'd up. So you can see I probably could have left that one alone, but I hit a couple of them here, and you can see just kind of running down, probably make you dizzy, but all the way down the side. And I was still amazed that was one piece of stainless front to back. And as I've said in the past, if somebody has dinged up stainless and they're interested in what came off of mine, you can see this hole was pretty bad. I got that nice and filled in. That'll be fine to hold the aluminum. Isn't interested in mine, please give me a call. And as I said, I put stuff on the inside as well. So not a whole lot's changed inside. Kind of covered up the dash with a sheet just to keep the dust off of it. But yeah, if anybody's interested in my stainless, or anything else for that matter that I'm not using, drop me a line. Here's the wheel wells I did yesterday. Clean all the gook off the bottom of those. So there'll be some holes to plug, and I have to figure out how to do that. And we'll see how they fit in with the floor being a ½ inch higher. But at any rate, thanks everybody. Keep those questions coming, and any comments, always open to that. The bags are still holding air. I'm happy about that. So one thing I did notice is without the side molding, this door opens quite a bit further. So I'm thinking with the new, let's see if we can see down in there. That'll probably confuse us with turning 90 degrees, but I might be able to open the door a little wider, which I don't know if that's important or not, but I did notice that it opens wider. So, all right, everybody, have a great day.